Hey guys, my name is Anand. I'm a teacher and I live in Bihar. Today in this video I'm going to give you all the detailed information about Cambly app. And you guys were requesting me from long time to make a video about Cambly app. And today in this video I am going to describe every point of the Cambly app, how to run this app, how will you be getting the free minutes, how can you purchase this app, how can you talk with the tutor, how can you make reservation, and all these details. So let's go to the video now. So hey guys, first of all visit to your Play Store and go to the search bar and search Cambly English app. So Cambly English app. Now yes, after searching this app you will find interface like this. So you can see the rating of this app is, you can see the rating of this app is 4.0 star, and more than 10 million people had already downloaded this app. So all you have to do now that you have to install this app in your mobile phone. I have already installed this app, so I'm going to open it. So after opening this app you will have option of sign in. So you will have to do first sign in. I have already account with this app, so I have to not sign in. So you, after signing into this app, you will get interface like this. So now after this you have to do all that. You have to come to the bottom of the screen of this app here, and what you have to do, just you have to click on it, and after clicking on it, you will get option like subscribe, message, free minis, favorite tutors, referral code, reservations. So I'm coming bottom of this app, so scroll down and come bottom of this app, and you will find first logout option. So if you have multiple account, then you can log out from this account and you can log into another account. The next one is rate Cambly. If you want to rate Cambly, then you can rate Cambly. Help, if you want any sort of help, then you can write your issue, they will be helping you. After this there is a lesson history. So this is very important topic, so click on it, lesson history. After clicking on it, you will find that all of your previous lesson will be recorded here. All of the previous lesson you can see here. Whenever you want to watch that lesson, you can watch it. Even if you want to download that lesson, you can download here. So so you got everything right now. So let's back again. After that lesson history, there is a reservations option. So this is for making a reservation with tutor. If you want to reserve any tutor, then you can use this option. So right now if you want to reserve, then you have to go on this option, create a new reservation. Click here. After clicking here, you will get lots of options like choose a duration. So this is here 15-minute duration you can choose. If you want to talk with the tutor for 30 minutes, so you can choose this option. If you want to talk with tutor for 45 minutes, so you can choose this option. It's up to you that how long you want to talk with the tutor. So first I'm going to choose 15 minutes, okay, and later on choose a time. You will have to choose a time and date. So first go and choose a date. So for example, I want to talk with tutor on 29 December, so I will choose 29 December, and I want to talk with tutor at 4 p.m. so I will choose this time 4 p.m. and after choosing this you will have to do next, and after doing next your schedule will be done with the tutor. So tomorrow you have to talk at 4 p.m. with that tutor. So you got everything about reservation also. So after that, let's return back to the next point. There is a referral code option. So this option is for who want to especially get free minutes. Just like you know that people share their referral code. If you are first time signing into the Cambly app, then you can use that referral code and you can get 5 or 10 minutes free. So just it is for those guys who are first time signing in. Otherwise, once you have used any of the referral code, you can't use second time. So you got everything about referral code also. Now after referral code there is a favorite tutor option. So this option is for you that if you like any tutor, okay, and you want to talk with again and again, you want to talk with him again and again, then you can just click on this heart option and the tutor will be added to your favorite list, and whenever you want to talk with him you can easily talk with him. So you got about this favorite tutor option. So you can add as many tutor as you want to add in your favorite tutor list, so there is no problem with it. Just like I have added few tutor, you can see here. After that favorite tutor there is 3 minutes option. So yeah, this 3 minutes option is for those guys who will share Cambly to their friends and with people especially. You can share it on WhatsApp, you can share it on messaging, you can share it on Messenger, or you can share through WhatsApp. So if you will be sharing this app and the person whom you share this app, if they will be using Cambly, then you will also get 3 minutes. If they will be using, then they will get 5 minutes, you will also get 5 minutes. If they will get 10 minutes, you will also get 10 free minutes, and that minute will be added to your account. So this is the most important part. If you want to gain minutes, then you can share Cambly. So yeah, I hope that you got these two. Now after this there is a message option. So message as option is especially for those guys who want to discuss with tutor about the topic for their lessons. For example, if I want to talk about traveling, so I can message tutor that I want to talk about traveling, so please come up with the preparation about traveling. So the tutor will come in your lesson or class with a traveling topic, and you will get enjoy, you will be comfortable talking with them. Otherwise sometimes what happens, if topic is not decided, then it is very difficult to make conversation. So it is especially important also. So after that message option you have to go to the subscribe, and this is the most important part of this app. You already know this app is not free. So if you want to use this app, then you will have to subscribe first. So please wait for a minute. Now after clicking on this option you can see the interface like this. So first is 15 minutes per day option, second is 3 the day. First is the minutes, that how many minutes you want to purchase, second is how many days weekly you want to purchase. So let me make you understand one by one. First is 15 minutes per day you can take, second is 30 minutes per day you can purchase, 60 minutes per day you can purchase, and as well as you can purchase 120 minutes per day. So it's up to you. If it is affordable for you, 30 minutes per day, you can also purchase it. And I think you should not take 60 minutes or 120 minutes per day because it is very expensive, but it's up to you. But as far as I have realized, I think that 50 minutes per day is best option, or even 3 days in a week is the best option. Otherwise, I don't think that if you will be talking 60 minutes per day, it will giving you any benefit. So I think that practicing every single day is the most important thing here. And there is a day option. You can purchase a plan for 1 day in a week, you can purchase a plan for 3 days in a week, you can purchase a plan for 5 days in a week, and you can purchase a plan for 7 days in a week. So let's say I'm going to purchase 1 day per week and for 15 minutes, then how much it cost me? Monthly it cost me 549 rupees, and quarterly if I'm taking it for 6 months, then it will cost me 1040 rupees per month. I'm talking about per month, okay. And if I'm taking it for 3 months, then it will be cost me 1394 rupees per month. So yeah, if you are taking a plan for longer time, then definitely you are getting 100 or more than 100 rupees benefit. So it's up to you. So yeah, if I'm taking the plan 3 days per week for 15 minutes, then you can say in a month I will have to pay 4499 rupees. For 3 months I will have to pay per month 4049 rupees. and for 6 months I will have to pay per month 3000 rupees. So if you are taking 6 month subscription, then you are getting 1000 discount for every month. So it's up to you what kind of plan you want to purchase. So now all you have to look about all the plans, and after deciding which one is affordable for you, then you should go to select plan option. Okay, once you will click here, you will get the option of your HDFC bank, Visa card. So right now you can pay with your UPI pin, Google UPI pin, Indian credit card. So it's up to you. So I'm going for net banking option. So let's see if I'm going for net banking option, and if I'm taking 15 minutes per day, 3 days per week plan, then I will have to pay 4499 rupees for a month. Now after doing all this, I have to click on complete the purchase plan. Once I will click here, okay, it will showing me that they are giving me 3-month offer. If I will purchase for 3 months, they will be giving me some discount, and do the next after seeing everything. Now I will have to put email ID, phone number, and you have to do all these stuff. After that you have to pay. So in payment option you will have to pay everything. You have to give your all the details, and I think already you know about all these things. So yeah, I hope that you might have understand everything about this app. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.